again, as you mentioned, that I'm from the company named Zaptec. So we are into call center and US debt collection. So we mostly hire for people who are into voice process and collection. But I think few months back we got an opening for MIS and a real-time monitor profile, and then that's how Shruti explained me the overall thing, how you train people, because nowadays there are consultancies available in market who provide candidates, but when we hire from a institute where you are training those candidates on as per the specific industry niche and then placing the candidate, that becomes very niche profile. And coming to the hiring experience, again, recruitment is something where rejection comes, because the company need to understand how the profile, what client is looking for. Shruti and the entire team, they were very collaborative and positive towards taking feedback, understanding what exactly client is looking forward, and the entire experience was very smooth. So as I mentioned in the first question, that when we hire from any manpower supply company or maybe consultancy, so that's where their job is to get resumes and then they forward that resume to the companies. Okay, they are the one training the students and then preparing the student as per the client, what client is looking forward. So the time I was sharing feedback with Shruti that this candidate lacks these skill set, so she was ready to take those feedback and she was ready to implement those feedback in the coming candidate so that they can prepare other candidate for us. So that is the one thing, unique thing which company will look forward. Yes, of course, because the thing I mentioned, what companies are facing challenges nowadays, that they just get the resumes and the entire thing we need to do from our side to screen the candidate and everything. But if the company's HR and the recruitment team is getting that thing, that if any company is there who's doing the basic screening from their side and then giving us the qualified candidate, so of course I will recommend those companies to collaborate with and get their hiring done.